Hello everyone, welcome to Networker Stream. I am going to revise whatever we have discussed in the last session. Okay, in the last session we have seen about how to navigate the directories and how to change the directories from parent directory to some other directories with the help of cd command, and also we have seen some list commands like ls with the help of locations, like for suppose ls commands like ls el es ls hyphen l ls hyphen a, etc. Also, if you would like to list the directories and file inside the directory, then you have a command called ls, that directory name. Or if you would like to see some files inside any other location, then you have to give ls space your location. That means forward slash your etc, whether it is etc or whatever the directory it may be, you have to give the location. For suppose by default, if you list the files by default, it will display you like alphabetical order. For suppose if you would like to do it in a reverse way, like from z to a, you have a command called ls hyphen r. And if you have any doubts, or if you need any helps for the command, then you have a command called man. So man space ls, then you can find different options of that particular command. Okay, let's discuss somewhat deeper, like admin at 123. So first suppose, okay, clear the screen. First suppose if you would like to go to the root directory, and if you would like to see what are the what are the folders in that particular directory. So let's discuss more about ls-l space etc folder. So you have multiple folders or files here, as we already discussed. Any file starts with hyphen, then it is nothing but a file. If any if the name starts with d, then it is nothing but your directory. And and also, so this is the directory, and this is the link file, and this is the username. Administrator or whoever it may be created this file, so that particular user. And this is the group from where this user related to, and this is the size of the file. And February 10th 2019, it would be the would be the date which it has been created, and this is the folder name. And you can find one more you can find one more thing here. That's what I would like to show you. So total of 1100. What that means? So this is nothing but number of memory blocks used by all these files under this directory. This is the total. Also, what is this first three one? First three represents the user or owner permissions, and next three represents your group, and these three represents your your others. R means read, W means write, and X means executable. So if you create any file, you need to give some permissions to any of the users. So you have a command called chmod. So chmod is the command to give the rights to the user. So we will discuss more in depth when we are discussing about chmod concept. Okay. And I would like to show one more thing here. ls-l gives the long list of that particular files or directories inside the directory. So ls-l will display you some some long listing of these files or folders, and the shortcut will be ll. Will also give the same output. So if you compare ls-l and and this output, if you compare these two outputs, ll, so these two outputs would be same. And one more thing we have discussed: any file name starts with dot, then it is a hidden file, then it is a hidden file. For suppose if you create touch.abc.txt, once you create that, so in the root folder you don't have permissions to create anything, so just go to your home directory, then you create, so where are you now, pwd, so just create one file, touch file1.txt, so ls, so we have file1.txt is there, so cat file1.txt, so some output you got. So for suppose it's already there, that particular file1 is already there, so that's why it didn't do anything. So for suppose if you would like to put touch.abc.txt, so for suppose if you hit enter again, you don't see that ls here, I mean you don't see abc file here. Why? Because it's a hidden file. If you would like to see hidden file, ls-a, if you put ls-a, by default you can see abc.txt file. So for suppose if you would like to see ls-l, by default it will list you in alphabetical order. So if you want to make it like ls-l-a, it will show you the hidden files also, .abc.txt, which we have created just now. So and I would like to, so for suppose if you would like to display the files based on the time or modification time you have, based on the time when you modified the files, so you have the command called ls-l-t-a. it will give you the recent one first. For so abc, so just now we have created one file which is abc.txt, so which you have created, so that displays the first one. So ls means list of the files, so show me the long list and display the recent files first, and also please display the hidden files as well. So that's how it is. And so if you would like to put it in a reverse order of this output, that means you have to put this March 30th in the reverse orders, and then you have a command called -r, so that that bash.rc will come first, so the older files will come in the beginning. So for suppose if you would like to see the nested directories as well, I mean the contents also inside the directories, then you have a command called ls-R. So first it will display the whatever the files and directories are there, just it will display, and after that it will display your files, folders, and inside that whatever the files are there. So under the DC, under the file one, there is no content, so that's why it didn't display anything. But under the desktop you have dir1, file1, file2, file3, sort and all are there. Okay, so again if you see here desktop under dir1, so all these are there, and after that dir2, file1 is there, and inside dir1, dir2 nothing is there, and dir10 nothing is there. So like that it will show everything, and one playbook.ml, and these are the files I got, and in the backup I have these folders. So it will show you each and everything whatever is there, like in the nested directories and files also it will show. So if you see carefully here, it is having some names and all, so it doesn't matter. So for suppose if it is Ubuntu, it will show you these colors, and if it is like Red Hat, it will show you some different colors. So if you don't want to see these colors and all, you have a command called ls-f. If you put ls-f, you don't see any colors over here. So how to recognize your files as well as directories, you cannot able to identify here, but whereas if you would like to identify, then you have a command called ls-F. So if you see directories means it will end with /. If it is a executable file, it will end with *. If it is it is, if it is a normal file, just it will be a normal normal name without without anything. For suppose if it is a link file, then it will ends with at the rate symbol. I will we will discuss more when we discuss about link files and all. Okay, what command will make long listing of all the files in our system, including hidden files, sorted by modification time? That means oldest first. So we have already seen the, so what is the question? Question will be, what is the uh, command to display long listing of all files in the directory, in our directory, including hidden files sorted by modification time, included by modification time. That means oldest first. So command will be ls -l -t okay. So which is the command to display long listing of all files in the directory, including files sorted by modification time? So modification time means newest first. So if you want oldest files first, then we have another command. So list of, and it will be long listing, so -l -l including hidden files -a, and modification time is newest first, so -t. So in the same directory, so what we'll do, whatever the files we have created just now, that those will come first. So by default, I told you, right, if you create anything, by default dot will be there, which is the current directory. So ls long listing, okay, this is the long listing. -l means long listing, and -a means hidden files, it will show. -t means modification time. For suppose if you would like to show oldest first, -r oldest first, March 30th we have created. So that's why that's how it is. And whatever the files we have just created, by default it will be in the last. So as I told you, we can always use shortcuts ls -l -ltrae. This is also gives the same output. So, and order is not a matter, atrl also give the same output. So order is not a matter. So what are the things we have seen till now for ls command? -r -a -small f -capital F -t -capital R recursive to look at the recursive directories, and -l, etc. There are too many. If you want to see what all the commands are there, you have a command called man, and man ls you have to see. Also for suppose there are too many entries will be there. For suppose you have just you came here and look at this output ones. So what is, so you've seen everything, right? Because each character is 1 byte. So playbook contains 352 characters are there, so that's why it is 352 bytes. So total number of memory blocks it has been used by all these files in the directory. So that is the total of this. So, and this is the modification date, or created date. If it is a huge listing, so for suppose if I would like to see only, this is a huge listing. So here we have few files are there. So for suppose we need to display only first 3 or 4 lines. So what is the command for that? We have a concept called head here. So ls -l type include head. So how many lines you need? Head 3. So okay, so command is head hyphen 3, so it will display you only first 3 lines. It will display 1 2 3. For suppose if you would like to display first 5 lines, the command is head hyphen 5. So head means the first 5 lines it will show. For suppose if you would like to see last 5 lines, then the command will be tail. The command will be tail. So 1 2 3 4 5. So videos, templates, public, pictures and music. Music, pictures, public, templates and videos. These are the music 1 2 3 4 5 templates and videos. From music till videos you have. So last 5 lines it will get displayed. For suppose if you didn't mention anything here, so if you don't mention anything here, it will display last 10. It will display last 10. So for suppose here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So from exec.sh to videos, exec.sh to videos, last 10 files it displayed. At the same way, if you would like to if you want to see first 10 lines, then there is a command called head. If you don't display anything, it will show first 10 lines 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So till dir 4, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that's how. For suppose if you don't give any number here, then by default it will take it will display first 10 or last 10 lines. So if the command is ls-l pipe head space nothing, then it means it will by default it will take value as 10. At the same way, last 10 lines if you need, just you have a command called tail, and if you don't specify anything, you have by default it will take 10. Okay, and we have one more concept called more. We have one more concept called more. ls-l. If you were anything, you have multiple directories. So this output is very small, but if you would like to see /etc, and this is having too many files. This is having too many files. You have to scroll up every time to see the output of it. So that's why you have a command called more. You have a command called more. ls-etc. You would like to see long listing of the directory etc. Just if you put more here, it will show page by page. If you put space bar, it will go by page by page. Page by page it will, but it will go only forward. It won't go to the previous page. It won't go to the previous page. If you would like to see the previous page also, we have a command called less. So with the help of less command, you can able to see forward pages and previous pages as well. If you put b here, if you put d here, it will go to next page. If you put d here, it will go to next page, but if you put b here, it will go to forward page. D next page, B previous page, B previous page, and D next page. And if it is, and just type Q. If you Q, it will from the output. So what are the commands we have seen here? ls options and hidden files and all we have already seen, and also we have seen head, tail, and more, less. So head, by default, if you see the output on the first 10 lines, you have a command called ls, or include head -5 or something, depends upon the line, whatever you would like to see. For suppose if you would like to see the last 5 lines, then the command is ls tail. So this is how you would like to, it's all depends on you how you would like to use these options. It depends upon your project or your requirement. Also we have seen more command. If you have big output, then if you would like to see the output page by page, then you have a command called more. But it only shows you forward, next pages. But whereas less, you can able to see the previous page as well. So in the less command, if you would like to see the previous pages, then you have a command called, then you have a letter called B. And if you would like to go to the next page, you have D letter, you have to enter D letter. And if you would like to get out from the output, then you have to press Q button. So that's why less is more powerful than more. So actually this is also an interview question, so they will ask which one is better, more or less. So then just you need to say by using less we can view page by page in both directions, means next page or to the previous page, whereas more always display forward direction, means it displays the next page, not previous page. So less will be better than more. Okay, for suppose see ls hyphen l etc. So it has a big output. I would like to see top five lines. Then you have a command called ls hyphen l etc head hyphen 5. So you can able to see first five lines. If you would like to see last five files, then you have a command called tail hyphen 5. So this is what, for suppose if you would like to see 11 to 15 lines, if you would like to see 11 to 15 lines in between 11 to 15 lines, what are all they? Not all the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So 15 14 13 12 11. So about to 11 12 13 14 15 till bash we have to see. So what is the command here? So what is the command here? So ls hyphen l slash etc head hyphen 15 tail hyphen 5, so that you can see from apart to bash. That means what it will do is, so my requirement is to display 11 to 15 lines. 11 to, if you would like to see 11 to 15 lines in any output, then you have a command called ls-l etc ls-l, whatever the location it may be. Then so in how many lines you need? Just only 15 lines. So that's why I put head here, head first 15 lines. In the first 15 lines output, I would like to see only 11 to 15. That means big number minus small number plus 1. So big number is what? 15 minus 11 is the result is 4 plus 1. So last 5 lines, right? Again tail hyphen 5. 15 minus 11 4 plus 1 5, altogether 5. So yeah, sorry, I missed this hyphen here. So you can see apport appstream apt avahi bash rc. So these are the files. So for suppose, just look at it. So how we can see so for suppose I would like to see from 20 to 25 lines. If you would like to see 20 to 25 lines, so simple ls-l etc head hyphen 25. So my requirement is 20 to 25. 25 minus 20, 5 plus 1 6 hyphen 6. So it will show you only 21 to 25. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25. Just go to the output of it and check. You will see 21 to 25. So let's go here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So Bluetooth 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. CA certificates.conf. CA certificate.conf. From Bluetooth to CA certificate.conf. So this is one thing. So this is how we need to see between the lines actually. So and one more thing, we have a command called date. We have a command called date. So date is used to just to display your day, which is Tuesday, June 30th, 2232 IST 2020. So this is how it will show. For suppose if you would like to see only date in like month, day, year, then you have it. So if you would like to see your date in this format, yes, you can see. The command will be date date plus percentage capital D. So it will show your date in 06 month 30 day 2020. So if you put capital D, it will be it will be 20. And if you would like to see that only day value, then you have a command called percentage small d. It will show you 30. So I will show you a few things here. Date, if you would like to see only only time, then you have a command plus percentage capital T. It will show you just only time. It will show you just only time. Here if you put only date, the output will be Tuesday, June 30, your time and what zone it is, and the year. So if you would like to see in such a way that if you put capital D, your format will be 06, 30, 20. So the format will be like that. So why it is like this? So you have a man to do to check. So capital D. So capital D in this format, month, date and year. So it will show in this format. So for suppose if you would like to see only month value, then you have a command called plus percentage M. So it will show you only month value. If you would like to see the year in YY format, you have Y 20. So it is in the YY format. If you would like to see in in 2020 format, that will be 2020. Okay. And if you would like to see the options, you can go through mandate. So you have multiple options you got, but I will only give you only few things here. Depends upon your requirement. Just you go to it and what format you require, then you can do it with the help of options, with the help of man command. So for suppose if you would like to see multiple for suppose if you put plus percentage A, so this will show you the day. What day is it? This is Tuesday. If you would like to display in your own format, if you would like to display date in your own format, if you would like to display your date in your own format, yes, then this also you can do. For suppose if you would like to display your if your date in this format, then you have command like date space, so plus percentage D slash month will be percentage m percentage capital Y. So you can see your date in this date month YY format. So 36 20 20 format. So if you would like to just put percentage small y, then 36 20. So by default this output and this output is same. If you observe carefully here, date plus percentage d, it depends upon your capability how to use these options. And if you would like to display your your date in YY-mm-dd format, then command is date percentage y hyphen percentage m hyphen percentage d. Sorry, d, sorry, I forgot to put plus here. So it will be in 26 630. Sorry, capital D means it will show you in some other format, so just put small d. So that 30 is the date, and 6th month, and 20 sorry 20 is the year, 6 is the month, and 30 is the date. So if you would like to display in this format YYYY hyphen hyphen date, so the command will be date plus percentage capital Y hyphen percentage small m hyphen percentage d. So it will show you in your format, in your required format. So if you would like to see only time, then command is plus percentage capital T. So it will show you the time. If you would like to show it, if you would like to see this time in your 24 hours format, you have an option called, sorry, I mean if you would like to see your hours only, then you have a 22 it will show. For suppose you have another option I, that means it will it will show you in 12-hour scale. So 22 is 10 in 24-hour scale, whereas I is in 12-hour scale. So 10 it displays 10 here, but whereas if it is 24-hour scale, hours 22. So this one it will be display here. Capital I means it will display hours in 12-hour scale. For suppose if you would like to see only minutes, then you have a command called capital M. So you can able to see only minutes. So capital M 40 is the minutes. So 40 minutes, 20 to 40 minutes. So if you would like to see in hours, what time is it, what exact time in hours, 24 hours format 22 is 10. If you would like to see in 12 hours format, it is 10 again. And if you would like to see minutes, percentage capital M. If you would like to see the seconds, so this is the capital T, yeah. So that's how it is. So this is seconds. Where we use it, where we use all these options, where exactly we are going to use, we are going to use these options in monitoring your devices, monitoring your devices in your organization, For suppose you have 100 devices and you would like to monitor all those devices, like so every hour if you would like to keep on changing your files, so first 1 hour your one file should be generated. For suppose if every 1 hour, it will be very huge in 24 hours. 24 hours will be there, and that file if there are too many logs, then it may be GBs. So if you don't want to generate every hour, for suppose if you would like to generate every day, then you could if you could see your uh, uh, syslog server, your uh, you your system log file will be in this format, core1. For suppose if you have core devices, so for suppose core1, and that should be in the format like 24 4 2020 dot log. So normally it should be in this format. So core1 is the device name, and this is the date, and .log will be the log file. By default, it doesn't matter whatever Linux extension is not mandatory in Linux. Whereas for our purpose, I mean for our identification purpose, we are using this .log.txt, and all these things we are doing. We are doing here. Always Linux always categorize the file with the help, not with the help of extension, but with the help of content in the file. So if you if you look at your organization, normally these log files you cannot create manually, right? Automatically it has to create on its own with specific format. So for that we need some commands and all for that to do it. But whereas we can see that in shell scripting, whereas for here just we will see how manually it will get created. Actually, if we would like to create with the an empty file based on current system, then it will be core1, and core1 dot something, and core1 25.4 25.4 and 25 26, so on. Actually the files will get created like this in each and every day. So it has to create. So the command will be core1 underscore your date format. So normally how we do, so the command will be date. The command will be date plus percentage. So for suppose if you want your script in core1 underscore 24 hyphen 04 hyphen 2020 dot log. For suppose if you would like to create a file like this, so manually how you gonna create date plus, so how you create this date plus d, date plus percentage d hyphen percentage m hyphen percentage capital Y. So once you've done that 36 20 20, so this is the output of this. Okay, we got this output, but what we need to create, core1 and .log we need to create. So for suppose if you would like to in Linux we have a concept for the execute commands. Yesterday we have executed one file, right? // something, some script. It will execute that file. This is called command substitution. It will substitute that in the command. For that you have a command called dollar. You have a command called dollar with some command. What it will do, it will give the command substitution here. So just I'm saying so your main intention will be this. So how you do, touch core1 dollar, okay, core1 / dollar. So just copy this. Oh, sorry. Touch core1 hyphen dollar date plus percentage d hyphen percentage m hyphen capital Y. So once you done that, one file will get created. So one file will get created with what? Core1 underscore 30 hyphen okay, actually I have percentage. So one more file will get generated. So core1 hyphen 30 hyphen 6 hyphen 2020. So this is so current one is current date is 36. So that's why, for suppose today date is like 36, so that's why the system has been taken 30.6. But whereas in the scripts they will give this kind of format. So there we use this date, all these options. So depends on that, you can create whatever you want. For suppose if you don't want to use all these, just you would like to just D, so the ls, so this one will be core1 30. So core1 underscore some sorry, it will be percentage d. So here, so I think there is no capital D option there, so that's why D. So that's how the command is. Okay, let's see again. Okay, so there is dot log is also missing. So once you put that, automatically dot log is also get generated. Core1 underscore dot 30 is the date, dot log is been generated. Depends upon the format. For suppose if you would like to see that in every hour, just you could see touch core1 underscore dollar date. For suppose if I would like to see that in date plus percentage d percentage m underscore percentage year capital Y underscore, and I would like to see that in 24 hours format underscore in month I mean minutes underscore percentage and seconds percentage is dot log. So ls, so that will be 36 2020 and date, so 2151. So before it was 36 2020 225100. So in this case, all these options will be helpful for you. So while you preparing some scripts in shell or python, whatever it may be, it will be very useful for you to generate the logs. It has to be automatic, so that's why by default it will take the system's time. Okay, so how to do automatically if you need to execute this one, you have multiple multiple scripts, which is one is shell scripting. So you have a cron job as well, so these jobs will be executed automatically. Actually we are not going to execute here, but the thing is, if you would like to do so, you have a command called cron tab -e. So actually cron tabs are a very huge topic, we will see that one later. But however, if you would like to do it, we have a command cron tab -e. So you have, so before it was it used to open editor tab will get open, but you have nano is the editor and vim is the editor, and one more editor is there. Which one is useful for you, then you can take it, but I have taken one, nano. So if you would like to put any script, you can able to put it. because cron that particular editor is not there. If you see here, for more information, see the manual page of cron tab 5 and cron tab 8. So you have to check the cron tab thing. So if you see here, if you see one option here, uh, minute minute means the minutes 0 to 59, and hours means 0 to 23, and date of month, which is DOM, so 1 to 31 by default it will take, and month 1 to 12, and date of week, day of week 0 to 6, where 0 indicates Sunday and 6 indicates Saturday. Like that it will take. So if you would like to see that one, we have to discuss somewhat later for the cron tab thing. So as of now, just I will I'll put one simple script. We will see whether it works or not. So I would like to generate I would like to generate a file on 14th day of every month, which is 14th day of month, and February 2nd, and any day that will be star. So hash, so the command was mhdom mondow command. So the same way, just you need to put here. So remove this star here. So here just you need to put 0 0. Just you would like to put date is anyway, put anything. So 14, and month will be 2 or Feb, whatever it may be, you can do it. Date of week will be any, just I will put star here, any, and command will be command. So whatever the command you would like to execute, that one. So first, for testing purpose, I don't want to do anything here. Just I will put star anything. Every time we would like to put this, every minute this needs to get executed. So that's why I don't want to select anything. So just I am keeping star here, and I would like to touch of it. I would like to touch is the command to create a file. Touch hyphen, where I have to point it to tilde. Tilde is my home directory. Tilde is my home directory. Space desktop, space desktop, forward slash. So on the desktop I would like to create. So core 1 backslash dollar, which I would like to execute, date space plus, just I would like to take only d month, percentage m, percentage capital Y. So this is the syntax. So once you do that, control V, here it is, control V will be save, control O and control X. Enter, and control X to execute. Control X to it is asking whether I need to do you want to retrieve the same errors in cron tab file. Can't install. Do you want to install this? So cron job, just I'll do this. So let's put control O and save this, and control X. So installing new cron tab. Okay, just I have given one command which needs to be executed every minute. So let me see whether it has to be there on the desktop itself. If it is not there, if it is not there, see, I think just put this off. Control O. Yeah, so just I am going to delete everything. I don't want to do that. Control X. So just simple Z edit, simple G edit. Just put test.sh, test.sh. Okay, it will show you one folder here. Here just put touch. So tilde hyphen desktop hyphen core1 underscore dollar date plus percentage d colon percentage date month. Just put here. So simple thing. So that's it. Test.sh, just I put it here. So ls, so we have one test.sh is there, but it is not executable. ls-l test.sh. so suppose if you put test.sh permission denied, so you have a command called chmod 75 test.sh. once you done that, automatically your first cron job will get create core1 underscore 30 underscore 6 underscore 2020. That's how normally it will get execute. For suppose if it is automatic cron job, it will get generate every hour, every minute, like that. Okay, that is the cron tab. Actually it's not cron tab, but it is just I would like to show you where we are going to use the date commands and all. And after that we have one more thing called cal. We have a calendar, so it will show you first it will show you current month's calendar. For suppose if you would like to see cal1, so it will show you first year's calendar. It will show you first year's calendar, cal 2020. So it will show you 2020 years calendar. For suppose if you would like to see 2021, you can see 2021 calendar. For suppose if you go 10,000, so the range is only 1 to 9,999. 10,000 won't be there. The range is like that only. Okay, so this is about brief cal and date comments. So I will stop it here, and tomorrow we will go to discuss more into directories. So thanks for watching. If you would like to reach out to us, you can see you can visit our website networkerstream.in, or you can leave us a message in info@networkerstream.in, or you can visit facebook.com/networkerstream. Thanks for watching.